Hello everybody, my name is Félix Vásquez. I have 20 years old. I am from Quito, Ecuador, and I will talk about an embarrassing situation that happened to me in Zamorano. One day, when I was in machinery and irrigation module, I crashed the tractor that I was driving against a few structures of wood. All this situation began when it was my turn to drive the tractor. I got up, turned on the engine. Later, I accelerated slowly, and while I was going towards the structures of wood, I crushed the brake pedal to stop, and the tractor didn't stop. Finally, I could never stop the tractor, and the engine crashed and died. I was with my group of module. They were working near the accident, and they could see what happened to me. It was an embarrassing situation because after that the engineer caught my attention, and then my group of module were laughing at what had happened to me. I just laughed at everything that happened, and I learned to drive a tractor correctly. If this situation happens to me again, I will try to manage more carefully to prevent another accident. Good night.